You guys, we are here. We are here, and I just set up the tent, and Babe and Tyler gone back to the car to get all the rest of the bags and stuff that I packed. Look at these little cuties getting ready for the beach. Look at them. Look at them. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. I guess by you guys seeing Tyler and Sarah little clip earlier, you guys know where we're heading, right? You guys know what today's mission is, right? What's today's mission, Tyler? We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to unleash our summer bodies today, honey child. Who's ready?
Everybody.
Everybody! And of course, I'm wearing my headband by African Fabs. Jane, make sure you guys go and get your head wrapped over on African Fabs. You guys, we're almost here. We're like 4 minutes, 5 minutes out. We're almost there. We got up early this morning and got so much things done. I cooked, I packed everybody goodies, we all got dressed, and you guys will see the family outfit when we get to the beach. I'm so excited. It's Sarah's first beach trip, and it's Sarah had beach trip in Jamaica. It's Sarah's first beach trip in France, and it's Tyler's first beach trip for the summer for this year. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Oh, thank you guys to everybody who has subscribed to my fitness channel, to my workout channel. Thank you guys so much. Everybody else who watched the video and didn't go over to subscribe, I see you. Okay. But thanks to everyone who watched and actually clicked on that link and go and show me love and support. Even if you're not into workout, you still went ahead and subscribe and show your girl love, and that alone means everything to me. You guys are awesome. Anyway, you guys, everybody is here and we're ready to have a good day at the beach. Yeah, Sarah approved. Ready to have a good day at the beach. So we'll see you guys when we get there. In case you're wondering, what am I talking about? I recently created a workout channel and the link is down below, so go ahead and subscribe to my workout channel and come kick some butt with me over at Body After Baby. Me and my matching girl, matching headbands to head wrap. Look there. Hey, we're matching. We're matching. Yeah, we're matching. Yet. She having fun down there? What, this? Yeah. No, it's fine the way it is.
I can go?
Yeah, you can go. I just need to take our picture. Tyler, come here. Let me take our pictures first. Look at her face. Sorry, look at Papa. Look, look, look. Look at her smile.
Right. You're good? Ça va, Tyler?
Oui.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Château de sable.
Ok.
She's not afraid
Okay.
at all.
Careful.
Oh, she's having so much fun. You're not a coward, huh?
Alright.
Got your red jacket.
My swimming jacket.
Come. You want this too or you just want this?
Oh, yeah.
So I pick up this. You don't want the arm or you want the
On the arm.
you want the arm too?
Yes. I want everything on me.
Alright. So put on, turn around.
Ah. Bien rempli d'air.
Allez, mets le banc un peu. Okay. All done, Tyler. Nice.
That's a bottle.
Turn to me. Turn to me. Can you manage?
No. sunscreen on you. Sunscreen on you. Da 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 It's been a long beach day to say the least. Look at me on the beach with all this big head tie. Sarah is taking a nap. Look at her. She's in there napping. And Thailand Papa is here playing. Oh, you have to pick the egg. You guys, it's lunchtime for the parents. And we're here grabbing on our salad. Well, Sarah naps and Tyler playing as usual. Tessa is building a castle. I would advise anybody going to the beach and don't want the sun to get one of these tents. We bought it at the sports store. You guys, we are home from the beach. One thing with beaches, they drained you. It's a good thing I like to do things early and get back home. So we're back home just in time for snack. And somebody's excited. We're having some smoothie, fruit smoothie. This one have my favorite, mango, strawberry, and banana, and almond milk. Right now we're gonna relax, rest up, and I'll see you guys back at some point. Look at Sarah. And she's gonna have her bottle now, you know. Just here in my smoothie. Head down. Alright, ease up, ease up. Yeezo. Oh, it's reflection. So yeah, blow up on me.
What's wrong with you?
Because you're kissing my neck, honey.
I didn't do anything. I blow.
You want everybody to see me curling up? No, I don't think they want to see that. Anyway, you guys, this man is hilarious. I forget everything that I wanted to say.
We had a good day. We enjoyed today. I mean, it's a long time I didn't go to the beach and
That's true.
stay there and having fun there. And
When was the last time you even go to the beach? Period. Because when Sarah born, when Rose, I think Rose was here, I went to the beach.
not without me.
Without you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you didn't come.
A
That's what I'm
long
saying,
time
you
I
haven't
didn't
gone to
put
the
my
beach in
towel in the
forever.
beach and do that. Years. No, so that was cool. That was cool. I wish that kids are taller, so I can just let them play and take a nap.
Really, babe? You're a hot mess.
Yeah.
Before you say go and play with them, you're a hot mess.
No, I play with them too, but sometimes you just want to. That's the thing.
It's not easy at the beach with Sarah.
Oh no. And that-
With Tyler, yeah, it's good because
Yeah,
all
Tyler
Tyler
is
wants
cool
to do is
now.
build sandcastle. But with Sarah, she want to move here
and you
and
have to be
there.
careful
She
that she don't
eat the
put her
sand
hands
and
in the
yeah.
sand and eat the sand. Oh, you have to
And she
watch
loves
her.
the water.
You have
She
to watch her
loves the
more
water.
than any
Oh
time.
yeah, oh yeah. Cause Sarah's at the stage now where she put everything in her mouth, everything under the sun. It don't matter how small it is, Sarah, take it in the mouth.
So yeah, a lot of, but she love water.
She'll love
She
it.
love
She didn't
water.
flinch not even once. She wanna stay in there. She didn't wanna get out. So it was a successful day, to say the least. What did the president say about COVID-19?
Nothing
What's the
special.
update
Nothing.
about school and Tyler? You
About-
might have to go back to school.
Yeah,
Mandatory.
you might have to go back to school next Monday.
Mm-hmm.
So for 2 weeks. So let's see how the
It's
organization.
better he go back for 2 weeks than none at all. Why? He really, really, really misses his friends. So I would rather him go for 2 weeks and then go on summer break than don't go any at all. He would be so excited.
So let's see.
Let's see. We'll let you guys know what's good.
Let's see. But yeah, everything's come back to normal. I think it's this week or next week that the Schengen border open back, so be free to travel in Italy.
And Tyler told me
again,
yesterday that
but-
he misses good. So
Yeah, but we won't go right
we won't
away.
be going for a while
We won't go
anyway.
right away, but yeah, it's just showing that slowly
It's
the
going back to
restaurant, the hotel, everything's open back and life start back. So yeah.
Anyway, you guys, we're just coming on to give you guys a rundown of the rest of today. And the kids are off to bed, of course, and we are winding down ourselves. I've been working, babe been working too, because he's been taking care of the house and painting pastry while I get a lot of editing done. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam, and don't forget to go over to my fitness channel and subscribe, and also subscribe to my food channel. So you have two missions. You have to go over to Mel's Kitchen Jamaica and subscribe to my food channel if you haven't as yet, and you have to go over to Body After Baby and subscribe to my fitness channel if you haven't done that as yet. All the links will be down below in the description box. Comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.